If you have property and it has a new or existing fence and you want to message that property, there's no better place to do that than on your fence. We're going to introduce you to a brand new product that's patent pending, that's as handy as a pocket on a shirt to do just that. It's the Slot-Loc 360 Fence Dome Marker Sign. It allows 360 degrees visibility and it snaps right onto your fence. We've simply incorporated our patent pending slot designs into these dome markers that allows secure and quick attachment to most horizontal strand wires and even your woven wire, no tools required. Slot-Loc 360s aren't your one-sided flat signs. They're not seen from just one side, right? They're going to have to be modified, they're going to have to be retrofitted, they're going to have holes drilled in them to be tied up to a fence to eventually have the wind come up and tear them off. Not Slot-Loc 360, they're tubular and dome shaped in design. They're 12 inches in circumference, they're 18 inches tall. You roll that out, you've got a 12 by 18 inch sign that's viewed from any angle at 360 degrees. These are made from lightweight but durable wind and weather resistant, UV treated, high density polyethylene. Those are some $5 words, but suffice it to say, it will not tear, it will not rot, it will not decay, it will not blow off in the wind. UV rated ink, it will not disbond, it will not peel. It is warranted for the field life of the dome. The dome itself has a 10-year warranty. These type of dome markers have been used for decades to mark and identify very important things worldwide. They're tested and proven to withstand the elements. Here we have several Slot-Loc 360s already set up on various wire spaces, anywhere from 4 to 12 to 14 inches. As you can see here, we've got a 14-inch wire span here, and we've got a barbed wire kicker. Yes, it works on barbed or barbless. To work on barbed, it's pretty simple. You just put it between the barbs. Now, when you're dealing with barbed wire, it's designed to get your attention, so you need to make sure you pay your attention and don't get hurt. Hey, over here we have some of the most common wire strands. We've got a 10, we've got an 8, and we've got a 12. We're going to throw this up on the 10-inch wire span to show you just how quick, how secure this thing goes on. As you can see, this thing goes on in a matter of seconds. And it's up there temporarily, but it's up there pretty good. I mean, that thing's not going to go anywhere. But if you want to make that thing, I'm talking triple-digit mile per hour good, or if you want to make that theft deterrent, then just do these things. We give you 2 of these push pins and we give you zip ties. And here's how they're going to work. These push pins have shark teeth in them. These are very, very durable. You need to make sure that you put them in the right hole. Where's the right hole? The right hole is right here below the wire. And again, you'll have 2 of these. They'll come with them. And now what's happened? Now it's sandwiched to the top of this push pin and the bottom of that slot. Now the second thing you're going to go to your second wire. This particular case is a 10-inch wire space. So it's bottomed out at the bottom of this slot. So you're going to take this 200-pound tensile weight steel zip tie that cannot be cut with a pocket knife by any thief or you or anybody else. And you're going to thread this thing above, through these wires, above this, and you're going to be sandwiching this. Another common spacing is a 12-inch. The 12-inch is done the same way as the 8 and the 10, other than it has its dedicated slot here at the bottom. Now, it's bottomed out at the top of that slot, so your zip tie goes underneath, sandwiching the 2. So when you're all done, this thing is on there. I'm talking triple mile per hour wind and theft deterrent proof. That was the horizontal wire strand. Now we're going to look at one of the most common woven wire fences that are out there. This is a 7-inch square and a 6-inch square and a 6-inch square here. And you've got a 2-inch kicker wire on the top, is what I like to call it, and it's a barbed wire. But I want to put this on from the back side to show you how it goes into these entry slots. Find a spot where it's going to go between the barbs. Start it on the second wire. Twist. There you go. Matter of seconds. You basically come in here with your 2 push pins we discussed earlier. And you can also do a zip tie on the bottom if you want, but that thing is there as long as the fence. There you have it. Let's sum this thing up. Highly visible at 360 degrees. We've drove that home, hence the name Slot-Loc 360. Simple, fast, secure installation. We've proved that. No tools required. UV, weather resistant, durable material. Comes out of the box, pre-slotted, so all you need is your fence. Hopefully you're saying, where do I get one of these things? Well, you can go to simplesignbuilder.com. They can give you more details on the product. You can order the product there. Pricing is going to be comparable to a high quality 18 by 12 inch sign. So go to simplesignbuilder.com and check it out. Thank you.